Samsung is expected to launch two new smartwatches, Galaxy Watch 6 and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, later this year, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The upcoming smartwatches are expected to bring improved health tracking and features. It was rumored earlier this week that the Galaxy Watch 6 would feature enhanced performance. We are now bringing you some exclusive information regarding the smartwatch's processor. So hey everyone, I am Ayush, and if you are new here, don't be shy, do subscribe now. We have learned that the Galaxy Watch 6 series will have a newer Exynos processor, Exynos W980. This new chipset will be more than 10% faster than the Exynos W920 chipset used in the Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 series. While we don't have information on the CPU and GPU configuration of the Exynos W980, Samsung may fabricate it using its newer 5nm process that was reported earlier, which could also lead to improved battery life. More information about this Exynos chipset could be revealed in the coming months. Samsung's upcoming smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, are set to come with some notable upgrades. The Galaxy Watch 6 will boast a larger and more high-resolution display, while the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic will reintroduce the beloved rotating bezel that has become a hallmark of Samsung's smartwatches. In addition, both models will feature slimmer bezels and slightly bigger batteries than their predecessors. It's likely that the Galaxy Watch 6 will include all the features that were present in the Galaxy Watch 5, such as a round OLED touchscreen, GPS, ECG, heart rate monitoring, fitness and health tracking, sleep monitoring, and body composition analysis. Additionally, it may come with Wi-Fi, cellular connectivity, NFC, wireless charging, and the One UI Watch software based on the Wear OS platform. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? Do let us know in the comments section. Hope you liked and subscribed to this channel. I will see you in next one.